He does not respond to alert, voice, or pain. It is essential for me to check if he is breathing. Respiration can be tested in 3 ways. Place the 4th and 5th fingers of your hand on the patient's forehead and the 2nd and 3rd fingers of the other hand on the patient's chin and lift the patient's head up. If the patient is breathing, you can see his chest going up and down. You will hear the sound of his breath. You will feel the warmth of his breath. Place the index finger of your right hand at the end of the sternum in this way and place the other 2 fingers above it. Place the first part of the palm of your right hand above the midline of the patient's chest. Place your other hand on that hand and lock it well this way. Tighten both elbows flexibly and push forward so that your body weight rests on the patient's chest. Only 1/3 of the patient's total chest height should be pressed. Bring your body back to the back as you move forward and give 30 chest thrusts this way. Place 2 fingers on the patient's forehead and chin, lift the head, squeeze the patient's nose with the thumb and 2nd finger, take a deep breath and place your mouth into the patient's mouth. Let go of his nose and let out his exhale. Give it another breath this way. After inhaling, give 30 chest compressions at a rate of 100 beats per minute. Give 2 more breaths. In this way, give 2 consecutive breaths for every 30 chest compressions. This is a difficult task for you to do on your own until the patient breathes again or until the patient is taken to an ambulance or hospital and handed over. So call for help first before starting the process. This process is called basic life support and cardiopulmonary resuscitation. The average atmosphere contains about 21% oxygen. We get about 4% to 5% of it into the body and exhale about 16%. That amount is enough to save the patient's life.
The supply of CPR continues to carry blood to the brain so that the brain cells continue to receive the oxygen they need. This protects the brain.
Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel and support me.